We get staining for a variety of reasons: coffee, wine, hopefully not smoking. Your toothbrush can remove a fair bit with some of the stain removal toothpaste, but ultimately your teeth pick up a stain and can be quite heavy. We can polish it off to some degree, but the gaps are often difficult to get clean. We now have a more comfortable way to get rid of the debris, and that's using high pressure water jets, as you can see. Unlike scaling your teeth, there are no health benefits to having your teeth polished, just cosmetic ones. Unlike tooth whitening, which you could have done afterwards, it's a cosmetic procedure that you'll have to pay for privately. In my view, you've always been better off having your treatment on a plan, often for just the price of a cup of coffee a week.